Hey guys, what happens when you don't change your coffee filter or you don't clean it? Let's say you're making coffee and you forget to leave it in there, or you forget to take it out and clean out the inside after you filtered your coffee, and it, you had your coffee and then you don't feel cleaning up. It could be forgotten for quite some time, and if you leave it sit and you forget about it, here's what it looks like. Ew. This looks pretty dangerous. That's disgusting. That's all mold. Because someone in my house made coffee and never cleaned the filter afterward, and it sat for probably weeks because we haven't used this in so long. Ew. That is probably giving off mold spores that are making everyone sick in the house, even though no one's sick. Anyway, I'm gonna throw it out. Ugh. Ew. Oh, it's touching me. Hold on. It won't even come out. Ugh. Now all I gotta do is run this under some water. And it's all clean. I put it right back. There we go. Guys, subscribe to me. I do a lot of weird videos, and I really want to see more of you. So have a good day or night. Bye-bye.